Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Being Easy. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the best budget live streaming setup for Twitch, Mixer, or YouTube, whatever you want to do. This is going to work with Twitch alerts, all that good stuff. So, guys, I get this a lot where people are always asking for a budget live streaming setup, right? So the first thing they do is they usually just will start live streaming straight off Xbox to Twitch, and then taking those recordings and maybe somehow broadcasting it to YouTube at the same time. So it doesn't really work out that way. And when you do it that way and you live stream just specifically off a console, you're not getting those specific Twitch alerts to pop up. You're not getting the subscribers to pop up. You can't see the chat in the bottom left-hand corner that a professional live stream usually has, the webcam and all that stuff. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can live stream, super budget. None of this stuff about go out and buy like $1,000 gaming PC. You don't have to do that. I'm going to show you my setup, how I did it, so let's hop into it. So guys, I recently just switched over to Streamlabs OBS when I'm doing my live streaming. As you can see my webcam in the top right there. So this is the current setup I have. You've probably seen this if you see me live streaming over on Gaming Made Easy. I've been doing some like Minecraft streams and Battlefront 2 and some other Xbox games. But guys, what I want to emphasize in this video is you don't need the most expensive equipment to live stream. I'm going to show you everything in my setup, give you the exact price of everything. And yeah, let's just hop right into it, because a lot of these YouTubers and people making tutorials on this will just literally just say like go out, like their budget live streaming setup costs like $2,000, and for most people that's not realistic, right? It's not realistic at all. So I'm guessing that most of you who want to get into live streaming already have a console, because I want to so that doesn't really count into this equation of live streaming, because I'm guessing most of you already have it. Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo, I don't know. Most of you already have that, so, and I'm guessing that's why you want to actually get into live streaming. So the main things you want to use well, I'm guessing you already have a TV or monitor, so that's already built into the price. So the main thing you really need is a mic, a laptop, and an Elgato or whatever, or a different kind of capture card. It doesn't have to be Elgato. I would strongly recommend an Elgato and try to get it used. I would not pay full price for an Elgato. So my Elgato is actually back here, right here. It's hooked up into my Xbox and plugging in to my laptop. So I got mine for like a little under $100. I think it was like $80 used. It was like mint condition though, and I've been using it ever since. Does 1080p 60 FPS, perfectly good. Fits me fine. I mean, like, I have no reason to upgrade at this point for a long time. So I'd recommend an Elgato. If you can find a better capture card that can do 1080p 60 or even 720p 60, honestly, people can't tell the difference that much. It's totally fine. So yeah, recommend the Elgato. For the microphone, guys, I don't think you have to pay more than $30 for a mic. I got this Fifine mic for $28 off Amazon. You can listen to all the audio. I've recorded most of my videos in the past like month or two on this microphone itself. It sounds amazing. I have literally no complaints with it. You can dial up the gain and whatnot on here, so it has a manual gain switcher, which is awesome. A lot of mics don't actually have that. I'll probably leave a link to this in the description of all the equipment I'm using here if you guys are interested in checking it out. So this is like $28, not expensive. Elgato, get it used. I would not pay full price. You can get it under $100 on sale. You just have to wait for the right deal. So for the last and most important thing, you need a PC of some type. Now, what I will say is, I don't recommend you going out and buying a PC or some type of computer with the most intense CPU. I think if you have a dedicated graphics card, you can make this work for the most part. Like, I have an i7, but I stream, my encoder settings are through my GPU itself. So I'm actually not streaming based on my CPU, because I don't want to like destroy my CPU, if that makes any sense. Trying to take some stress off of it by using my NVIDIA. I have a GeForce GTX 960M on here, so it takes stress off my CPU, and overall the quality is basically just as good with a CPU. So it's up to you guys, but I would highly recommend a laptop with a dedicated graphics card. You can get a laptop with a dedicated graphics card between $500 and $600 off Amazon. I mean, it's not going to be, you don't even need the best graphics card, to be honest. Just something dedicated that can do the trick, that can run maybe like some lower end games at a good frame rate, just something like that. I'd definitely look up what graphics card the laptop has, or the Yeah, I'm just gonna straight up recommend a laptop. I don't think you need a I mean, you could get a PC, but with a PC you have to go out and buy another monitor, and that's another expense. So I'd recommend a laptop. This is the Dell Inspiron 7559 4K edition. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, i7 6700 HQ, I think, and a GeForce GTX 960M. So it does the trick. It's very powerful. I got this for 800 and something bucks, but you can definitely go lower than that. You can go like $500-$600 and get one with a dedicated graphics card. So yeah, and then once from there, you go set up your live stream in Streamlabs OBS. It's very simple to do. I figured it out. Didn't take that long. You can add your webcam, a bunch of other Twitch alerts and stuff, and make a really professional looking live stream. Just make sure that, and I'm streaming off Wi-Fi too. I'm not even using a dedicated Ethernet, which is fine. I mean, obviously the quality is not going to be as good, but it does the trick, right? I can pull off 720p 60 FPS pretty decently. Just make sure your internet's pretty good. I wouldn't do this if you had like one up, one down. Make sure like your upload speed's at least 5 or something like that. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I hope this video was really useful for you guys, because I don't like seeing people recommending PC setups and live streaming setups that are over like $2,000, $3,000. I don't think that's fair and not realistic for most people. So if you found it useful, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Go check out the Life Made Easy podcast, linked in the description. Doing some awesome episodes over there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.